so there's no need to hide.
Grabe. Oh my God, that is so soothing.
But only worth living, 'cause you're born free.
Tapos hindi bubuka yung bibig niya masyado, but very clear yung kanyang pagkakanta.
Walls divide you.
You see the eyes?
You're free as a
Ooh. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencian. Welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. A mega love shoutout sa mga RCFC John all around the world. Any chapter, anywhere else. Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. We are back for another reaction video para kay Ruel Carino para sa kanyang performance ng Born Free sa session with Brian Yamswan. Yes, sobrang ganda ng vocal register niya dito. Nireactan natin yung kanyang All of a Sudden. And ito nga ang inyo pang request ng kanyang performance na Born Free. First time kong maririnig si Ruel kumanta ng Born Free, guys. And just a fun fact, itong Born Free ay, nung elementary ako, ginamit namin tong song na to sa isang choir competition. Kaya naman familiar tayo dito. Kahit naman talaga naman familiar tayo dahil may kaidara na tayo mga kababayan. Charet! And of course, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga RCFC members who's been giving me good comments. Maraming salamat po for appreciating our reaction for Ruel. And of course, he deserves all the love and support that we have because he is really doing it really well sa lahat ng mga performance niya. At the age of 14 years old, he is really a spectacular artist that deserves our support. Kaya naman, it's my pleasure every time po na makita yung si Ruel sa ating channel. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Grabe, ang ganda rin ng may banda plus the vocals of Ruel. Super galing. Shoutout po sa Brian Yamswan channel. Thank you so much. Credits to you for this video. Diba? Saka ang ganda ng angulo ng mga pa-camera nila, in fairness. Eh! Oh my God. Oh my God, he is really nailing it right away. Grabe talaga yung diction and enunciation. Kuhang-kuha ni Ruel and the golden vocal of Matt Monroe.
As free as the grass grows, born free to follow your heart.
Diba? Tapos hindi bubuka yung bibig niya masyado, but very clear yung kanyang pagkakanta. Diba? The word astounds. Diba? Galing.
Each time you look at a star,
Sustain notes.
stay free.
Diba? And those high notes, he's nailing it so well.
When no walls divide you, you're free as a roaring tide, so there's no need to hide.
Grabe. Oh my God, that is so soothing. Sobrang ganda ng arrangement ng vocals ng channel na ito ni Sir Brian Yamswan. It's so good.
Born free, and life is worth living, but only worth living, 'cause you're born free.
Diba? Oh my God. At saka super seryoso si Ruel dito sa performance na to. We will also react dun sa meron dito mga interview portion. So, just wait for a while, guys. We will react to that kasi tapusin mo natin lahat ng performance niya. Well, the instrument of the band as well make it more like pro. Diba may pa-violin, guys?
Stay free when no walls divide you.
You see the eyes?
You're free as a
Ooh.
roaring tide, so there's no need to hide.
Wow! Oh my God, I love it.
Born free,
Diba the word free? Ah, ganon.
and life is worth living, but only worth living 'cause you're born free.
Hey, oh my God! What a wonderful performance by Ruel Carino. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing Born Free sa session with Brian Yamswan channel. Grabe. Alam mo, I wanted to give a kudos as well to this channel kasi bongga ng arrangement and the band itself, 'di ba? Nakaka-professional ng bongga at nakaka-artista ang datingan ng setup. And of course, nakita niyo naman the outfit of Ruel, presentable, very serious, and of course, the golden voice. Yun talaga ang nagdala, guys. His enunciation, the pronunciation, kahit ano pang ciation yan, he is nailing every word of it. And the rhythm and the melody is there. Kahit hindi masyadong bumubuka yung bibig niya, but buong buo yung kanyang pagkakakanta. And nakita niyo sa kanyang mga mata. Grabe yung alam mo yung how he looks at the camera and also expressing the way that he is singing. He's doing it very, very well. What about you, mga RCFC? What can you say about this performance? You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin yan. And of course, if you have any other requests, you can comment down below or you can directly send me the link sa aking Instagram. Andito yan sa ating QR code. Truly John Valencia sa Instagram, guys. You can directly send me the link at isa-shoutout ko kayo ng bonggang-bongga dito sa ating channel. Ayan, abangan ko ang mga requests nyo, guys. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.